If you're experiencing a billing hold on your Netflix account, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you navigate the process efficiently. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Netflix website and log into your account using your email and password. Make sure you are using the correct credentials associated with the account that has the billing hold. Step 2. Check your payment method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the *com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 3. Update payment information. If your payment method is outdated or incorrect, click on Update Payment Information. Enter your new card details or select a different payment method. Save the changes to ensure Netflix can process your billing. Step 4. Resolve any payment issues. If there are issues with your bank or card provider, contact them to resolve any holds or declines. Sometimes, banks may block transactions for security reasons, so it is important to clear any potential issues with them. Step 5. Restart your subscription. After updating your payment information and resolving any issues, return to the Netflix account page. If the billing hold persists, you may need to restart your subscription by selecting Restart Membership. Follow the prompts to reactivate your account. By following these steps, you should be able to remove the billing hold on your Netflix account quickly. If problems continue, consider reaching out to Netflix customer support for further assistance.